Today I'm going to show you how to use the Quick Import feature in Microsoft Forms. This is a fantastic tool that allows you to convert existing documents into interactive forms or quizzes without having to manually recreate everything from scratch. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.office.com. Once the page loads, log in with your credentials to access your Microsoft Forms dashboard. This is where all your forms and quizzes are stored and managed. Now, look for the Quick Import button on your dashboard and click it. This feature is specifically designed to streamline the process of creating forms from existing content. After clicking it, you'll see a menu appear with several options. From this menu, select Upload from this device. This allows you to bring in files directly from your computer. A file browser window will open up, showing you all the folders and files on your device. Browse through and locate the file you want to import into Microsoft Forms. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it, then click the Open button to proceed with the upload. The system will now begin processing your file. Next, you'll be presented with two options for how you want your imported content to be structured. You can choose either form or quiz, depending on your needs. A form is typically used for collecting information or feedback, while a quiz is designed for assessments with correct answers and scoring. Select your preferred option, then wait for a few seconds while Microsoft Forms converts your file into the format you've chosen. After the conversion is complete, click Start Review. This takes you into the editing interface, where you can fine-tune your newly created form or quiz before sharing it with others. If you want to customize the visual appearance of your form, click the Style button. This will open up a selection of different layout options that you can apply. Browse through these layouts and select your preferred one to give your form a professional and polished look. Additionally, you can add themes by exploring the suggested and customized tabs. These themes help you match the form's appearance to your brand or personal preference. For more advanced settings, click the Settings button. Here you can configure important parameters such as the start date and end date for when respondents can access the form. You can also set a time duration if you're creating a timed quiz, and even enable the Shuffle Questions feature to randomize the order in which questions appear to different users. Finally, before you share your form with anyone, it's crucial to test it. Click the Preview button to see exactly how your form will appear to respondents. This allows you to catch any errors or formatting issues and ensures everything works smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully used the Quick Import feature in Microsoft Forms to convert your existing document into a functional form or quiz. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.